What's good, guys? So basically in this video I joined my friend's creative game and we're just chilling, you know. I'll just be me playing and everything, and this kid got heated. Like he got mad that I was killing him a lot of times, which I guess I would get mad too. So he basically called me out for a 1v1, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Who do you think is gonna win? Do you think I'm gonna win? Do you think he's gonna win? I don't know, let me know in your comments down below. But yeah, enjoy the video. If you're new, drop a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.
You shoot on the left. Bomba, me I get shot from all board. Oh, boy. We need to fight the boy and name check the guys out. We need to fight him now, cause every time the boy. Oh, him there. Oh, does he see that one? The boy name shit guys, I get my tight dog. Never fight. I him there, I get my tight dog. The boy can't. Hey, what's up? Yo, what's that? Come to me, boy. Edit now. I don't think they're gonna not fire gun my youth. Yo, seven guys, are you made at the party or something?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, give me that. Give me that. Oh my God! Boy, when you killing a boy. Look here, boy. Welcome to the I must grab it, that. I must grab it. Fuck you, boy.
what?
When the boy that come from my youth, I'm just get you see me like party tonight. I'm gonna hear him talking. You mean yeah? Boy, you know hear me talk, you talk to them.
Oh, brother. That's a play, dog. Yeah,
Oh. Yo, mister.
Dog, what me do wrong, dog?
You know I do nothing wrong, but me I say, like, you don't get me tight. That's all me I say. Watch this, you see me again. Yo, me don't know where man I come from, me no mic, but the man is up here, you know. You know, oh. You know, see man, the man just in here every time. Yo. Yo, Malik. Yo, Chevy, come on, come family.
Huh?
Come family. Yeah, for you. one.
Me not hide, brother. Me literally run up on
No,
down 50
1v1.
HP. I'm not so good
Which
now
one
1v1,
Which
you
one
know, but alright.
No, man, I have to see him play, dog, in that 1v1. Alright, no, we man.
Me not the best 1v1 player.
Bad. 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 Bad.
I just freak my you. No, my. What's the man talking about my you? Alright then.
Bad.
Boy, I lie, I didn't know boy in camp. 1v1, you know. Oh boy, it's a friggin' lad boy in camp 1v. The boy can't play.
This shit.
You can't play, man.
I'm not like that, like.
So what if we get it, dog? 2v1?
When me play champ and bombshell them, me dead. So.
Hey, we taking over the stage on my mama, nigga. In the back with my niggas, all the same, we might act up. Come with caution, cause you know we all strapped up. Yo, bitch, you want me cause you seen a nigga stacked up. But I can keep